Hey guys, and welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. Today we are going to be doing a really fun video. I have actually been so excited about this for I don't know, I've probably had this for 2.5 weeks. It might have been a month. It really might have. Anyways, guys, welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. There will be the title below so you already know what we're doing. But today we are testing out some IKEA pencil pen type things, and what really interested me was they have a white either pen or marker or something like that. I think this was like $3, so like a $3 or $4 little kit that has 6 different black and 1 white marker. I just thought this was cool, I thought it was fun, and I thought it'd be fun to do a video about. So with that said, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and if you're not having one, remember that you are awesome. Don't forget to just remember, you can do this, you're incredible. Anyways, guys, with that said, let's head over to my desk. We're gonna pop this open and we're gonna try making some art with it. Here we go! Okay guys, I was gonna open this up with you guys watching, but there was some tape on it, so I'm just taking these out. I already have this piece of paper here that I want to use. I'm interested to see, is this a marker? How does this work? Ooh, that's not making me feel. How does this work? Ooh! Okay, you all saw that, right? It's like a freaking magic marker, but with white. Okay, that's really cool. That's gonna be really difficult to figure out, but whatever. Okay, so this is a black. Well, that's really fun. That one's not too hard to deal with. My goal is to use all of these in the video, by the way, so when I do a time lapse, I will try to use all of them. What is this? Ooh, that's to create some cool little texture designs. Okay, definitely gonna use that. What is this one? Just a really, really fat marker. Okay. And what do we have for our last two? It's interesting that they have they're not really a brush stroke, they're just kind of a funky tip. I'm not against them. That's for... What? Oh, wow. Okay, I'm really into this one. This one I might be more into than anything else. Okay guys, so we're gonna... I don't know what we're gonna draw, but we're gonna try drawing something. This is really... I don't know. I really like these. I'm really glad I got these from IKEA. Such a weird thing to buy, but like... Guys, let's do this. Let's freaking do this, guys. So with this, I had a lot of fun. Just real quick disclaimer, guys, I got in a car crash over the weekend, so that's why this is kind of getting put on a little bit quickly. This video may seem that it's cut a little bit weird, but I'm okay. I got a little whiplash, but I am definitely tired, and so it's been a crazy couple of weeks. And so this video coming up, I had a lot of fun doing this. I actually really liked the different pens, and I really liked the small pen when I was doing the werewolf because it felt a lot like one of my favorite pens that I use to do different drawings, and so I really liked that about it. And with that said, doing the lining, I actually enjoyed how dark it went. I will say that the white pen really let me down on a few areas of what it did, just because it wasn't as good as I hoped it would be. I was hoping I could do a lot more contrast so that the background up above would have a lot of white to it, so that the face would kind of the wolf's face would stand out, but it was still really fun to do this. I always love trying out new things, and I think it was either $2 or $3 that I paid for it. These are actually really fun pens, and I would definitely suggest trying to get some if you wanted something new to try. Okay guys, so there is the finished piece. I will admit it did not turn out how I expected it, but I also thought that the white marker would do a lot more. Our magic white marker turned out to be kind of like the dud magic white marker. So it did not turn out as well. I did have a lot of fun though doing this werewolf piece. There was a lot of wrong anatomy, and you know what? It was just kind of calming to be able to do something fun. the one thing I would definitely say is, if it was cringy watching this, just realize that when you do bad art, when you do, you know, something that just isn't that good, remember that you can continue to try again. You always have the opportunity to do more, and usually when you do it wrong, you learn how to do it right. So never ever feel bad about doing some crappy art, because that means that you're growing, that means that you're learning, and no matter at what stage you're at as an artist, as a creator, it's never bad to realize you've done bad work, because that means you're on your way to do really, really great work. With that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I definitely think these IKEA ones are really fun. I will admit that I love this one. I'm gonna keep this with my arsenal of different items in my bag, because I think this one is really, really fun. The rest of them are good, but definitely not my favorite. But with that said, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you guys try out this IKEA markers, please let me know. Use the hashtag #ArtSprites over on Instagram. If you'd like to follow me, I will have a link down below in the description to my Instagram. I just opened up my store on my website. It doesn't have a whole bunch right now, but I'm going to, hopefully, fingers crossed, be getting some coloring pages up a little bit later in the next few months. Anyways, guys, with that said, remember that you guys are incredible, you are amazing, and to continue chasing your dreams and doing what you love. With that said, guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to. Join our little Art Sprites family. We're getting close to 100. We may be past 100 when this goes up. Who knows? And if you'd like, there's some videos over here. With that said, stay inspired, stay amazing, and remember that you are incredible. Bye, guys!